Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Michelle B. Rivera, 24 years old from Isabela, Philippines. I am 158 centimeter in height, 62 kilogram in weight. I am happily married and blessed with 2 daughters. Their ages is 6 years old and 4 years old. My husband is work as a bagger, my father is a farmer, and my mother is a housekeeper. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters, and I am the youngest. I am a Christian, and I am high school graduate. I work here in the Philippines as a housemaid for 2 years. I serve 4 members of the family. 1 couple, 1 child, and 1 baby. My main duties are taking care of the baby, doing the laundry, cooking Filipino foods, wash the dishes, and maintaining the cleanliness of the house. Since I am a first-timer work in Hong Kong, I am willing to be trained. I am a fast learner. I also offer a tutorial for your children, like teaching them how to read and write. I also know how to sing nursery rhyme, like this. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Round and round, the wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Like that, ma'am and sir. I want to work in Hong Kong to provide all the needs of my family, especially for my 2 daughters on their studies. I also want to build my own house. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. I also promise to you that I will do all my best to make you satisfied on my work. Thank you.